If you want to report someone in Bluesky Social app, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your own Bluesky, and then basically what you're gonna do, go ahead and click the person that you want to report. Let's say, for example, I want to go to this user since he or she always come up on my home feed. Now what I'm gonna do, next to the following, click the three dots next to it, and basically you're gonna see the tools right here. Go ahead and click the last option, report account, and then basically you have one of these options, misleading account, frequently post unwanted content. Let's say, for example, the second option. And if you want to add something to your report, maybe something to back this up, like an extra information about this user, and then basically click send report under 300 words, of course, and then Bluesky Social team will review your request, and then they will respond with approval or decline. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.